Hello and welcome back to my closet. I got my Fabfitfun spring box. Finally. I don't know why I'm surprised. It always is later getting to me because I live on a rock in the middle of the North Atlantic and the dog sleds need to go on a boat, and then the dogs don't want to swim because it's too cold. But anyway, mine is always late. But I got it. Do you want to see what I got? I'll show you. Okay, so I already opened the seal part because I always fight with it when it comes time to film. So I had opened it and I took the paper off, and that's it. Oh, I hit the tripod. All right, so I opened it, took the paper off. Here we are. The first thing I see on top of it is this journal, which has the plastic on it, and you can't see a thing because of the glare. So I think it's a journal. Form. Meet your digital platform for fitness, wellness, and self-love. As a Form member, you have 24/7 access to our digital platform. Ready to start? We're so excited to be your newest friend on your health and wellness journey. Well, that's great. Thank you for being my friend. Book? What? I don't know what this is. Apparently it's an app? I don't know. Anyway, the book is My Daily Check-In. And this is what I just read, which is on here. I'm assuming that says My Daily Check-In under there. And, oh yeah, okay. So that's the title page. My Daily Check-In. Oh, okay. Where does it has, okay, Daily Check-In. I don't know if you can see that. Is it too much glare? Has a date, word of the day, self-care act of the day, nutrition, movement, sending love to, repeat after. I'm grateful for your, okay, this. And then there's a to-do list. You know, this is not a bad thing for me. This is not a bad thing. Will I do it? I don't know. But I'm going to check out this digital platform for fitness. I don't know. Fitness is something I'm very much lacking. Wellness, I am also not on the best shelf. I'm not doing the best with wellness and self-love. What is that? That's getting a shower every day right now. So I really need to do something about all that. Maybe this will help. Who knows? Who knows? I've spent way too much time talking about that book. Okay, let's see what else. Like Butter, Tropicals Hydrating Soothing Mist for dry and sensitive skin. Okie dokie. No synthetic dyes, green tea, blah, 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 blah. What is it? Okay, it's a spray. Hydrating Soothing Mist. I guess it's like a moisturizer, but a spraying on moisturizer? I'm scared. Oh, it smells like sun cream. Okay, that's so nice. It smells like, you know, this spray on suntan, not spray on suntan lotion, but it smells like Tropicana. Tropicana. Whew. It smells like Hawaiian Tropic. The sun cream. Okay, that is, I love that. I'm desperate need of a tropical vacation. So this is going to have to do. My Like Butter spray on moisturizer will have to do. Okay, what else is here? Love Wellness pH Balancing Cleanser. Daily Vulva Wash. Cool. Okay, so it is a wash for your hoo-ha. Doctor developed formula. Okay, I never thought I'd see today that you get a cleanser specifically for your vulva. Okay, this was an add-on that I got. I got the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes eye palette. I got this, not that I need eyeshadow, but I also need to throw out all my other eyeshadow. All of my old eyeshadow is that. It's old. Like, we will go through it someday. and I will show you. I have the Naked palette from 2012 in here. Like, it's not fit. So I'm gonna get rid of them all. And that's so pretty. Ooh. That is very pretty because I just wear neutrals most of the time whenever I do wear eyeshadow. I wish it was a black. I always find I love a neutral palette, but I want a black. That's why I got this one for Christmas 2 years ago. It's called The Little One by Lawless, and it has a black. And also, I crushed that. Anyway, point is, there's a black. And I just poured eyeshadow into the box. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, it's fine. It's all fine. Well, seeing as how I poured eyeshadow all this. Millennium Collection glassware. This is cool. This is a set of glasses, which I will probably break. Because that's why when I selected my things, I got glasses. Because we break so many. Ooh, these are pretty. And the kids are going to like these. How cool is that? That is, there's pink and green and purple. This is cool. And amber. Okay, I like. Definitely having cocktails in those. That would be a small G&T for me, but it will be a pretty G&T. So that's nice. And these are the Nuco Hair Super Thick Shampoo and Conditioner. I love that there's both in here. Because it would be awful to send one without the other. So that's, and they're a good size. Like, they're really a good size. I'm looking forward to try these. Maybe I'll take these with me next week when we go away. Hi. Peekaboo. Okay, so I have 2 more things left. I've got the facial radiance pads. I've tried the First Aid Beauty moisturizer and I think the cleanser before. Really great moisturizer. But these are the glycolic and lactic acid safe for sensitive skin. I love a like face pad wipe situation because that whole self-care thing, washing your face, it was a good time with that. Anyway, last thing, I'll put the box down. And I got makeup all over it. I think this is a like towel wrap, like for getting out of the shower. I think. I'll open it up. Yeah, it's definitely a nice feeling towel. Doesn't feel like that awful microfiber. Oh yeah, there you go. It's one of these jabbies. It's a pretty color. I've never had one of these. I have the like head towel ones, but this is convenient. Okay, I like that. This is a really nice box. I really have to look into this form thing. I feel like this might be good for me. I'm wearing my sunscreen box in vacation. Okay, that's it for my Fabfitfun box for spring. My battery's dying and my memory card is running out. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it if you made this far, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.